Aging of the debit amount and margin trading facility. What is leveraging? When buying margin against holdings, a trader borrows funds from a broker and then uses it along with his own fund to order more shares to earn more profit. This is known as leveraging positions or holdings. What is debit balance? The money borrowed by a trader in his margin account to purchase securities from a broker is called debit balance. There can be both long and short margin positions in a margin account. An adjusted debit balance is the debit balance minus the profit from short sales in the account. What is aging of the debit amount in Jiffy? Any ledger debit outstanding for more than the stipulated period is known as aging of the debit amount. A trader must pay back the debit amount to the broker in a particular period. As per compliance guidelines in Jiffy, a trader must settle the amount in T plus 2 plus 5 days. On T plus 2 plus 5 days, the trader receives an SMS from Choice specifying the debit amount he has to settle. If the same is not settled within T plus 2 plus 5 days, RMS will square off the position or holdings to clear the same. What if I fail to clear my leverage amount within 7 days? Choice reserves the right to sell your holdings and clear the debit on T plus 8 days. If you want to carry your leverage buying for more than 7 days, you need to activate the margin trading facility. What is a margin trading facility or MTF? A margin trading facility is a service provided to traders who can borrow the funds available with the brokers to buy shares using the rest of the amount from their available funds or shares. This amount is also called collateral margin as it can be used to buy shares and securities from equity, derivatives and F&O segment. How much margin does Choice provide to its traders? Choice offers MTF facility under the product category Choice Margin Plus, wherein investors can create positions both on NSE and BSE exchange. However, Choice does not provide an MTF facility for all stocks. There is an approved list of stocks for the same. To check the approved list of stocks eligible for getting margin, you can mail us at mtf@choiceindia.com. Choice provides a maximum funding limit of Rs 25 lakhs for retail with a single scrip limit of Rs 10 lakh. The funding margin in F&O stocks is calculated based on VAR plus ELM into 3 and non-F&O stocks is calculated based on VAR plus ELM into 5, where VAR means variance and ELM is extreme loss margin. Upon new purchase, MTF will be funded. Those purchase shares have to be pledged in favor of Choice. Choice will raise a pledging request on T plus 1 day, which the client has to accept by the end of T plus 2 days. If the client fails to accept the pledge request, then on T plus 3 days, Choice will reverse the MTF funding and move the debit to normal ledger, which will then come under normal T plus 7 days aging, thus resulting in RMS action on T plus 7 days. What is the advantage of margin trading facility? It allows you to hold positions purchased for T plus 90 days in any segment. If you buy securities under the MTF segment, you will be restricted from getting your positions squared off or your account will be get blocked on T plus 7 days. Securities can be carried beyond 7 days up to 90 days in Choice. You can use your fully paid stocks as collateral and avail this facility to take advantage of market opportunities timely. Stocks lying in your DP account or your limited cash balance allows you to buy or leverage more stocks, thus increasing your buying power and improving your ROI. As margin trade funding enables you to have more funds in your account, you can diversify your portfolio, thus reducing the portfolio investment risk. How can you activate your MTF account? You can activate your MTF facility by signing an MTF agreement and transferring the initial margin by cash or collateral to purchase the shares under this facility. For existing customers, you can activate the MTF segment on the existing trading account itself. MTF product is added to the same trading account as a separate segment, that is MTF segment. To activate your MTF segment in Jiffy, you have to log into Jiffy, go to your profile and scroll down to Profile Modification. Tap Profile Modification and you will get a 4-digit OTP on your registered mobile number as well as your email ID. Enter the OTP and then verify to log in. You will be directed to the segment activation page. Select the option MTF segment, then click Proceed. You will receive a notification on the app and a copy of your modification request on your email ID. In the next 24 hours, your MTF segment will be activated. How can you transfer initial margin by cash or collateral? To transfer your initial margin, please reach out at the MTF desk number 022 6707 9845. You can talk to Mr. Sameer Sandhim on this number, who will initiate your transfer by cash or collateral. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.